Hello everyone, welcome to Motivation Medicals. I am Dr. Surya Nair. I am a dental surgeon and a dental blogger at Sumero Dental Clinic, which is at Surat. So, first of all, before getting into the video, I want to thank Motivation Medicals for giving me such a wonderful platform to reach out to you guys, to talk to you people and like spread my thoughts, my views regarding dental issues, my experience with my patients. So let's get into it. So today we are going to talk about dental calculus. So what is a dental calculus? It's a deposition of plaque which hardens up. Like whatever you have eaten the earlier, it settles on your teeth and it hardens up after, if you haven't cleaned it properly, if you haven't rinsed your mouth properly, or haven't used mouthwash, or haven't brushed properly. And it can also, the calculus can also deposit if any kind of medical related issues, if you're going through, if you're taking steroids, etc. So how to get rid of this? So this is just like you and me talking. Dental calculus, like, you cannot remove it by your own self, or like by your brushing techniques or your normal brushes. No, you cannot remove it by that. So with a proper professional guidance, you have to get your scalings done every 6 months. That is how you can maintain your oral health free from calculus and depositions such. So what dental calculus can do? Um, you must have experienced bleeding gums, or little bit movement, mobile teeth, loosened teeth, and bad breath. These are all causes of calculus. So my advice, not only mine, every dentist will advise you to get your scalings done after every 6 months. So guys, I'll tell you my experience throughout my dental journey, that I have gotten few patients with, they come to me for a dental routine checkup, and I find a huge deposition of this calculus, and they are not aware of it. And when I ask them कि आपने ये ध्यान दिया है, like whatever, like I ask them, they are like, isn't it my natural teeth? Then I explained it to them that this is not normal, and this is not supposed to be there in your mouth, because it can cause many even health issues also you can get because of this calculus. And I explained, as I told you earlier, the bleeding gums, bad breath, and cavities, even dental cavities. These are all the factors which is caused by this calculus. So don't take it and don't neglect it. Don't take it as like, अरे ये तो क्या है, ये तो just चला जाएगा. No, no, no. Don't be that loose about your oral hygiene. So why I told you that you cannot take it off with your normal regular dental brushes, because the brush, the filaments, the bristles which is there in the brush, it cannot reach deeply, like inside the gums, right? And it cannot even reach in between the teeth. So this is why we need a professional way to clean. That is, the dentist will help you clean that area, which we call it as scaling. So this is what I experienced. So I told my patient that ये जो है, this deposition, this formation is not normal, but it is usual though, and you have to get your scalings, and it will take 2 to 3 sittings because there was huge calculus deposition in his mouth. So then he said, yeah, sure, like I was not aware of it, and thank you doctor that you told me, uh, because I wasn't knowing about it, and I even didn't know what might cause in future. So from that point itself I was like, oh, my patients, they don't know, and like him many others won't be knowing about this issue, this small simple issue, right? So from there I, like, as much as possible, even at my clinic I do the blogging. So I reach out to people for this thing, that I want them to be aware of things which are not always talked about. So this dental calculus is not always talked about, and it is not like something everybody knows, and it is not something uh, uh, like taken as important as other health issues. So this was my experience, where this strike into my head, no, I should be doing such blogs, or as the motivation medicals gave me this chance. As well as you can check out my channel at Sumero Dental channel, where I am talking about many other topics, dental related issues. So please go and check out over there. So guys, this was a very little topic, and I'm not going to, like, stretch it more long. I just want you to know that please don't neglect your oral hygiene, oral maintenance, and please get regular dental checkups, so you'll be up to date, and you will be knowing about what's going in your oral cavity too. Like, you are very much, some people are very much into array, my health is good or not, array, I should be getting a, like, overall body checkup, overall body scannings, तो मुझे पता चले कि am I healthy or am I not healthy, the same way guys, please get your dental checkups too, like as many times, like एक ईयर में एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 times तो बहुत कम है, बट प्लीज़ गेट योर डेंटल चेकअप्स, बिकॉज इट वॉज रियली हार्ट एकिंग फॉर मी, बिकॉज द पेशेंट उस टाइम से मुझे एकदम से, लाइक, दैट स्ट्राइक, लाइक थंडर स्ट्राइक जैसा हो गया था कि, लाइक, oh, this patient doesn't know कि this calculus, this small thing which was present in his mouth, he is not aware of, he's not being, he's not aware of it, he doesn't know इसके क्या क्या, आगे जाके in future what it can cause. So this is all about today's video, and I hope you love this video and give it a very very big thumbs up, and subscribe to Motivation Medicos. It is a very good platform for everyone, like every individual, like whoever, like, needs to spread their voice and related to medical topics. And even check out Sumero Dental channel, you'll find very interesting topics over there.